Continues to target the illicit gains of lottery scammers in the western parish of St. James, making an announcement Saturday of seizures valued at multi-millions of dollars. Joel Crosskill has the details.
The proceeds of lottery scamming operations spanning several districts within St. James are now in the possession of the police, following a sweeping operation within the parish through the joint efforts of a number of agencies within the Jamaica Constabulary Force. Deputy Superintendent Dave Brown, who leads the anti-lottery scam unit at Area 1 headquarters, shared details about the bust.
On Thursday, the 5th of June, we launched our initiative dubbed Scam Done, Justice Around. Over those 3 days, we've confiscated over $27 million in cash, 19,780 US dollars, 200 Canadian, and 380 pounds. We've also seized a number of electronic devices to include laptops, cell phones, lottery scam paraphernalia, lead sheets. We've also arrested over 12 persons.
The lawmen issued a warning to others engaged in the illicit lottery scamming activity that their possessions will also soon be in the hands of the JCF as operations are intensified.
We have also seized a number of high-end motor cars. These include 3 Benz motor cars, 3 BMWs, 3 Toyota Crowns, Voxy, as well as a Mark X. These criminals normally try to hide their money by funneling them through these pop-up car marts, and we intend to use our investigative arms within the JCF, that's the Financial Investigative Division, and JCF, to try to trace these monies and to see their origin.
DSP Brown, in lauding the reduction in violent crimes within the parish since the start of the year, says to watch this space.
This initiative is aimed at taking out the finances out of crime. As you know, lottery scamming has been contributing to a number of gang activities, which leads to murder and shooting. So we intend to be relentless in our fight against these scam bags, for them to really find more ethical and moral means of making a living. My team and I are very committed, and we will be relentless in our fight against these scam bags.
Joel Crosskill, CVM News.